Hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is Lisa and today in this video, I am going to show you how to make stickers without sticker paper. So let's get started. Draw your sticker.
Storyblocks Audio.
Cut it into the shape. Now, take some name slips. Add your sticker to the name slips.
Storyblocks Audio.
Cut it into the shape.
Storyblocks Audio.
Let's test it.
Storyblocks Audio.
Wow, it works. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Take care and bye-bye.